All right, Ken Orange Theory Trader coming at you with another video on the 4-hour chart for Pound Aussie. This was a very simple 5 p.m., 9 p.m., and then 1 a.m. Ken Orange Theory on the 4-hour chart. So let's not waste time and get right into it. Let's put our opening price right there. So obviously we have the range candle at 5 p.m. Okay, the market reset. 9 o'clock gave a poke above the range and then closed back inside of it. So we are cleared to trade starting at 1 a.m. So we will drop down to the the 5-minute chart to see what our best entry would have been. We already got our market open, or the open price right here at 1 a.m. Let's see if there's any fair value gaps that we can identify that show momentum to the downside. There we go. Okay, so there go a couple. So I mean, you could have got in right at 1. That would have been ideal. Just enter as soon as it was enter as soon as the candle opened because it was close enough to the range high. That's always ideal. So you could just do a short position right here. You could have got away with a 10 pip stop loss off of this. There is one fair value gap right here. The fair value gap's near the range too. That's always a great sign. So doing that could have got you, we'll say 1 to 5. That's typically my max. So that's 1 to 5 right there. It did go for much more, but it is what it is. I like to be in though during the first hour of the opening candle, which would have been from 1 to 2. So that's about like right here. Sometimes the second hour will retrace. So if this was 1 to 2, and then from 2 to 3 was right here. So right at 3 o'clock, you did have one more chance to get in, and then it tanked. So that would have been your only other chance to enter. You could have got a good entry right there. And remember, the main confirmation is that when price reaches back into the fair value gap, it rockets away from it. And it did break out of the range and just tanked for the rest of the day. So that was a simple pattern. We'll go back out to the 4-hour. But that was the whole pattern. So again, just the 5 a.m. range, the high of the day being created by the manipulation candle, and then the expansion to the other side starting at 1 a.m. So if you're inclined to be up, and all these times are East Coast, but if you're inclined to be up during that time of day, then there could be some action waiting for you. So appreciate your time and attention. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.